Stop wasting hours cleaning your pool. In this video, I'm breaking down the best robot pool vacuums of 2026, the ones that actually scrub, climb, and leave your water crystal clear. All the links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Scuba S1 gets the title of Best Budget because the Scuba S1 gives you a wall-climbing, cordless pool cleaning robot, a feature set often reserved for high-end corded cleaners. From the moment you drop it in the water, Scuba S1 shows what it's made for. Its caterpillar-style treads give it traction so it can climb pool walls and tackle waterline tile, not just the floor. It doesn't just vacuum, it scrubs. Inside, you'll find a dynamic silicone brush that loosens stuck dirt and algae, plus a roller suction port that handles sand, leaves, and debris. Under the hood, the Scuba S1 uses Iper's WavePath Navigation 2.0 system, an algorithm with inertial sensors that plans systematic zigzag or N-shaped paths. It supports multiple cleaning modes: floor-only, wall-only, automatic, and an eco mode that does a quick clean every 48 hours. But let's keep it real. The Scuba S1 isn't a miracle worker. Several hands-on reviewers report weak suction and inconsistent cleaning performance. Battery life is a frequent complaint. Real-world testing sees only 40 to 60 minutes. Beatbot AquaSense 2 gets crowned as our best smart pool vacuum of 2026 because it doesn't just vacuum the floor. It scans, navigates, climbs walls, avoids obstacles, then docks itself when done. From the moment you drop it in, or even before, AquaSense 2 starts working. It runs on a powerful 4-motor system with 5,500 GPH suction power, giving it enough strength to climb walls, scrub water lines, and clear debris. But what truly sets it apart is its brain, SonicSense Plus CleverNav, a suite of 16 high-precision sensors that map your pool so every corner gets cleaned. Want easy pickup after cleaning finishes? AquaSense 2 uses a smart surface parking system. Once done, or when battery drops, it floats to the surface. No fishing it out from the deep. No robot is perfect. Some users report it's not quiet. The 4-motor drive and strong suction make it noticeably loud underwater. Dolphin Sigma earns the title Best Corded in 2026. It's built for pool owners who want the deepest clean possible. Floor, walls, waterline, with serious suction, smart navigation, and years of dependable use. From the moment you plug it in and drop Sigma into your pool, you'll feel the difference. This machine runs on 3 powerful 24-volt DC motors, giving it enough torque and suction to vacuum up everything: leaves, sand, algae, even heavy debris, and scrub stubborn grime off tiles and water lines. But suction alone doesn't make a best. Sigma combines that power with a gyroscope-enabled navigation system called SmartNav 3.0, which maps your pool intelligently and directs the robot to cover every inch without wasted overlap. The My Dolphin Plus app also adds smart control. You can schedule cleanings, start or pause cycles remotely, and monitor cleaning history. But it has some cons. First, because it's corded, you'll always have a power cable trailing in the pool, which means some physical setup every session. Second, some reports tell that it gets stuck or loses suction on built-in steps of pool. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus earns the title of runner-up. It is pretty much that friend who shows up, gets the work done, and never asks questions. The Nautilus CC Plus is built for one thing: consistent cleaning for pools up to 50 feet. No drama, no complicated setup. Plug in the power supply, toss it in, and let it get to work. And the moment it sinks to the floor, those dual scrubbing brushes and rubber tracks kick in to start attacking dirt, sand, algae, and all that grime at the bottom of your pool. What I love is the way it moves. Slow, steady, deliberate. It's like it knows your pool better than you do. It maps its way around using a simple scanning pattern and cleans the floor and lower walls with a very dependable rhythm. And when the job is done, the top-load filter cartridges are honestly a blessing. No flipping the robot over, no messy filter bags. You pop open the lid, rinse the cartridges, and they're ready for round 2. On the other hand, it's heavier than you expect when you're lifting it out full of water. Secondly, don't expect smart features. No app, no Wi-Fi, no scheduling. It's old school. We picked the Dolphin Premier as the best overall because it does something the others simply can't. It combines true commercial-grade cleaning power, multimedia filtration, and waterline scrubbing all in one machine. Other robots in this list excel in 1 or 2 areas. Premier gets to work with dual commercial-grade motors that deliver serious suction and scrubbing power. Powerful enough to climb walls, scrub tile and water lines, and vacuum up everything from sand and algae to leaves and debris. What sets Premier apart is its wide 9.5-inch cleaning path, a huge cleaning swath that covers more area with each pass. That means fewer cycles, less time, and more thorough cleaning. Filtration is next level too. With its multimedia system, you can switch among ultrafine filters, standard filters, and even a large debris bag, perfect for adapting. For many pool owners, Premier's programmable weekly timer is a lifesaver. Set it once, and it'll clean your pool every 24, 48, or 72 hours automatically. No recharging, no babysitting. And that wraps up our list of the best robot pool vacuums of 2026. At the end of the day, each of these picks delivers strong cleaning performance, smarter navigation, and better energy efficiency. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner pool with zero effort.